Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. India allows production of ethanol from sugarcane juice, molasses, comes under GS3 environment. Ethanol, a biofuel that can be blended with petrol, reduces dependence on fossil fuels, lower the emissions, and provides income support to the farmers. Sugarcane juice or syrup, direct fermentation of juice to produce ethanol. Molasses, a byproduct of sugar industry. Residue left after extraction of sugar, different grades. C. Heavy molasses. B. Heavy molasses. Sugarcane juice or syrup, highest ethanol yield but reduces sugar production. Government policy update 2025-26. India has allowed ethanol production directly from sugarcane juice, syrup, and all grades of molasses. Earlier, restriction existed to safeguard sugar availability. This supports ethanol blended petrol program targeting 20% of blending by 2025-26. Benefits were energy security, farmers' income, environment protection, sugar industry support. Challenges: food security versus fuel. Using sugarcane juice for ethanol may reduces sugar availability. Logistics infrastructure is a challenge. Price distortion. IMD reports rise in mini cloud bursts. Forecast above normal September rainfall. IMD rainfall report. IMD reports no increasing trends in IMD rainfall report. IMD no increase in trends in cloudbursts but notes a rise in mini clouds. September 2025 rainfall is expected to be above normal. Union Home Ministry has formed inter-ministerial center teams to assess flood damage in affected states. Center has released 10,498.80 crore to 24 states for relief assistance. Mini cloudburst, sudden very heavy rainfall, 100 millimeter per hour over a limited area, approximately 10 square kilometers. Mini cloudburst, same phenomenon but on a smaller scale. Lower rainfall intensity and area coverage. Usually causes localized flash flood, landslides, and waterlogging, especially in hilly or urban area. Causes: it's a orographic effect, connective clouds, climate change, warmer atmosphere holds more moisture, sudden downpours becoming more frequent. Region prone in India. Regions prone in India: Himalayan states, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northeastern states, urban state with poor drainage. Impacts: flash flood and landslides, soil erosion, disruption. APK scam defrauds Indians via fake apps, causing 779.06 crore losses. Cybercrime jumps 900% between 2021 to 2025. Comes under GS3 internal security. APK fraud statistics. Cybercrime increases 900%, 2,188 APK fraud cases. The cybercrime official estimates 60 to 70% of malicious APK apps used in India are developed locally. APK, Android Package Kit. It's a file format used by Android operating system to distribute and install apps, similar to exe file in Windows or DMG files in macOS. Contents of APK. An APK is basically a compressed packages like the zip file containing Android manifest XML, classes, DSS, RES, resources, image, layouts, sounds, meta info, signatures and certifies for app verification. How APK work? It will download. APK are downloaded via Google Play Store or side loaded manually. Installation: Android system unpacks and install the app. Verification: apps needed to be digitally signed to ensure authenticity and security. Security concerns were side loading APIs, fake malicious APKs, Android protection. Educate Girls NGO wins Ramon Magosese Award 2024 for pioneering work in girls' education across rural India. Comes under GS2 governance. Often called a Nobel Prize of Asia, established 1957 by Rockefeller Brothers Fund, New York. Administered by Ramon Magosese Award Foundation, Manila. Purpose: selfless service, courage in transformative leadership, integrated governance, promotion of human development. Award categories were government service, emergent leadership, peace and international understanding, public services, community leadership, journalism, literature, and creative communication arts. Please practice this math question. Thank you.